Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix FPS drops and boost FPS in game loop lag fix. Well, to do that, ensure you have the latest version of game loop installed. Updates often include performance improvements. So go to your browser, then search for gameloop.com, then click the download, then install the latest version of your game loop. Also, go to the Windows icon, then go to your PC, so type my PC, then right click and click Properties. Verify that your PC meets the recommended system requirements for game loop. Then upgrade hardware if necessary. In the game loop, go to the settings, then go to Engine, and select Smart Mode for automatic graphics adjustments. Alternatively, manually set up a lower resolution for better performance. Adjust in-game graphics settings to a lower level. Disable unnecessary features like shadows and reflections for improved performance. Ensure your graphic drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Then close unnecessary background application to free up system resources. This can significantly boost gaming performance. Run disk cleanup to clear temporary files and free up disk space. And that's how to fix FPS drops and boost FPS in game loop lag fix. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.